everyone, I'm Lauren and I'm on the social team here at John Paul Mitchell Systems, and today I'm going to show you all how I get my super sassy wavy pony using my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand. So I'm going to start off with my super skinny serum. This is just going to give my hair a little bit of extra hydration before I start styling. I also want to note that I did apply a heat protectant off camera. So I'm going to start out by just separating my bangs in the front. I like to keep my bangs out when doing this hairstyle. It just adds a little bit of extra sass. And then before securing the ponytail, I just like to make sure that it's placed right where I want it. And today I'm going to do a mid-low ponytail. So I'm using a bungee to actually secure it in place. I prefer this over a regular hair tie. It just makes sure that everything stays put all day long. To touch up my bangs, I'm going to go in with my Paul Mitchell Express Ion Style Flat Iron. I'm just going to go in and touch up my bangs. I like to leave a little bit of a bend at the end just to frame my face nicely. And voila, you can totally keep your hair straight in this style. I do love rocking a super sleek ponytail here and there, so you can totally leave your hair in its straight state. However, today I'm gonna go in with my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand, and today I'm gonna use the cone-shaped barrel. I'm gonna keep the heat setting at 360 degrees. This is perfect for my hair type and texture. And then I'm going to take my paddle brush, smooth everything out before I start styling with my curling wand. So I'm just going to take small sections of my ponytail and wrap it around the barrel. I hold it for about 10 seconds and then I let the hair cool in my hand for another 10 seconds and then I release. So I'm just going to continue that method until I complete my entire ponytail. So this curling iron comes with 3 interchangeable ceramic barrels to create a variety of different curl patterns. Today I'm using the 1 1/4 inch cone, and it creates really natural looking pretty waves. It also comes with a 1-inch styling rod for loose waves and another small styling cone for ringlets. So now to the final step and my favorite, I'm going to go in and curl my bangs. As some of you may already know, I like to style my bangs and curl them inwards just because I like the way that it frames my face. And now I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell paddle brush and just blend everything together. And voila, now you have a super sassy wavy pony. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles, and as you see, it's actually not very hard to create at all. And of course, I have to finish this hairstyle with the Paul Mitchell Gloss Drops. I love this product, it just adds a little bit of extra shine. So I'm just going to add a few pumps to the palm of my hand, rub my hands together, and then evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. It's one of my favorite hairstyles, and definitely come back and check back for new videos every week. Bye guys!